travel could be very difficult.
Let's just try to get some water.
Widespread blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches.
Whoa.
Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, winter survival kill you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.
Bro!
Road conditions can also be found at 511mn.org in Minnesota or 511wi.gov in Wisconsin. Repeating, the blizzard warning has been extended until 7 a.m. Saturday and expanded to include the following counties: Minnesota, Carver, Chisago, Dakota, Ramsey, Washington, and Wright, and the following counties in Wisconsin, Polk, and Creel.
Whoa.
The current time is 2 p.m. Daylight time.
Yo.
Blizzard warning in effect.
Hey, legit got blizzard warning
this evening to 6 a.m. Saturday.
Oh my god.
What blizzard conditions expected?